she can't. It's like Alice in Wonderland, but different, but scarier. I feel like I'm gonna fall down. Cause like,
Adia, oh, give me the camera.
Stop that. You look like a troll.
You can't talk, Joe. Oh no. Y'all look crazy.
You might not be able to sleep tonight. It feels like, doesn't this look like Alice in Wonderland in Kingdom Hearts?